You can use your losing investments to lower your tax bill. Here's how. When you sell an investment at a loss on purpose to offset gains you made elsewhere, you're not losing money for no reason. You're turning a loss you already have into a tax benefit. Let's say you sold stock A for a $10,000 gain. That's taxable. But you're also holding stock B, which is down $4,000 from what you paid. If you sell stock B, you lock in that $4,000 loss. Now your taxable gain is only $6,000 instead of $10,000. Even better, if you have more losses than gains, you can deduct up to $3,000 of those losses against your ordinary income each year. And if you still have losses left over, they carry forward to future years indefinitely. Here's the catch. You can't sell an investment at a loss and then immediately buy it back. The IRS calls this a wash sale. I covered this topic in a previous video, but at a high level, if you buy the same or substantially identical investment within 30 days before or after the sale, the loss is disallowed. You don't lose that loss forever. It gets added to the cost basis of the new shares, but you don't get that tax benefit now. Sell the losing investment, wait 31 days, then buy it back. Or buy something similar but not substantially identical. Tax loss harvesting works best when you have gains to offset. You're in a high tax bracket or you want to reduce your taxable income. It doesn't make sense if you're in a low income year, you're holding in a tax advantage account like a 401k or IRA, or the transaction costs outweigh the benefit. Losses happen, tax loss harvesting turns them into something useful. Sell the loser, offset the winner, keep more of what you made. I'm Christian with SwoleTax, keep taxes simple, clean, and stress-free.